In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a space in Discord text channel. If you're trying to make your Discord server look cleaner and more organized, adding a space between groups of text channels is a simple way to improve the layout. While Discord doesn't have a dedicated spacer feature, you can create the appearance of extra spacing by using a separator channel. To begin, open Discord and navigate to the server where you want to organize your text channels. Make sure you have permission to manage channels before making any changes. Next, right-click on the category where you want to add a space. From the menu that appears, select Create Channel. Choose Text Channel as the channel type. Now it's time to give the channel a name. Instead of using a regular channel name, use a series of decorative characters or invisible characters to create the appearance of a blank separator. Many server owners also use simple lines or symbols to make different sections easier to distinguish. After entering the channel name, click Create Channel. The new channel will appear in your channel list. If you want the separator to sit between specific groups of channels, simply click and drag it to the position where you want the space to appear. Place it between the channels or categories that you want to separate. To keep members from using the separator channel for conversations, right-click on the channel and select Edit Channel. Open the Permissions section and remove the Send Messages permission for the roles that should not be able to post there. Save your changes when you're finished. You can repeat this process anywhere in your server to create additional separators. Using consistent separators throughout your server helps improve navigation and gives your channel list a more organized appearance. Keep in mind that Discord doesn't support completely blank channel names, so you'll need to use characters or symbols that create the visual effect of a spacer. Choosing a simple and consistent style will make your server easier to read while maintaining a clean layout. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.